Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. This is my next video for your revision and you have to see this question and you have to practice these type of questions and you can check this on your school website. So look at the question. A motorcyclist riding motorcycle means the name given to motorcyclist A who is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour applies the brakes and stop the motorcycle in how much time? 10 seconds. Another motorcyclist B who is traveling at 18 km per hour applies the brakes and stops the motorcycle in 20 seconds. Plot speed time graph for both. This is one question. Which of the two motorcyclists traveled further before it came to stops? This is next question. I will do for A and your homework is that you will do for the B portion. For the A motorcyclist I will explain and B you have to do by yourself. So for motorcyclist A, with what speed he is moving? 36 km per hour. So that is initial velocity. And you will multiply 5 by 18, it would convert into meter per second. So when will you solve? You will get 10 meter per second. Applies the brakes and stop means final velocity is 0 meter per second. In how much time? 10 seconds. So let's plot the graph for this. So along x-axis you will take time, along y-axis you will take velocity. Scale you can take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and here you can take 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. Initial velocity was 10 meter per second. So we have put the dot at 10 meter per second and it stops. So it should come to the x-axis in how much time? 10 seconds. So we will join to 10. So you will get a triangle. Now using this triangle we will find out the distance. Distance covered is area of triangle OPQ. Half into OP into OQ perpendicular into base. So you will get half into 10 into 10. So you will solve it. You will get that this motorcycle A after applying the brake will travel 50 meter per second. Now B is your homework. You will do by yourself. Okay, next question is draw velocity time graph for the following. You have to draw this situation in your paper. First is when the object is thrown vertically upward, means the situation is given to you without any table or anything. Second is when the object is thrown vertically downward, means the situations are given to you and you have to draw velocity time graph. First is vertically upward, body is thrown vertically upward. When we throw it vertically, means in the straight way and in upward direction. So what does it mean? The body initially with some speed you will throw it and it would come to rest at highest point. Means with some speed you have thrown it and then it would slowly come to rest. So retardation case is there when we throw anything. So first it goes to highest point, so it comes to rest. So this is the situation. Second, when the object is thrown vertically downward, you know that when we throw anything from top to bottom, so what happens? Speed increases, velocity increases. So what does it mean? Velocity increases. So whenever velocity increases, it always slope upward. So this is the graph. Or when thrown upward, you know that velocity decreases. At highest point, like ball comes to rest when you are playing cricket, and then it comes to down. So like this it is there, situation thrown upward means at highest point velocity is 0. Okay. So the next question, explain the difference between the graphs. These graphs already you have done. So first question is you have to find out the difference between these two graphs. In this case you are watching it starts from origin and in this case it is not starting from origin. It's starting with some distance on y-axis. So what is the basic difference between these two graphs and these are velocity time graphs. The first case explain that body start from rest. Why? Because it starts from origin. And in second case you are watching that it is not starting from origin. With some velocity it starts. So it means its initial velocity is not 0. Object is already having some initial velocity and after that it increases its velocity uniformly. So you have to practice for these graphs and your queries you can ask during your classes on Saturday.